So, what turns this
A 67 Rock, I'm
into this? So, this happened in Mayflower, Arkansas, in January of the 8th of 2023, around approximately your bedtime. Michael Scotty Helton was at a traffic stop. I mean, because it seems to always start at those every single time, damn near, for some reason. Anyway, Helton said, that, I'm out of here. My lady's at home waiting, and she has a hot bag of hot tour waiting for me.
You like that? You like that?
This clearly led to a high-speed chase that ultimately led to Scotty's doom. But let's watch the events that led up to that.
A 67 Rock, I'm primary. 37.
At 60, Arkansas 869, Victor Warfare 869, BSR Coast 2020.
67 Rock. See if Conway does some spikes. I don't know if they'll pay or not. Damn.
County deputies continued to chase Scotty pretty much to the city limits. When the county police had enough, the state troopers came out and actually assisted. They set down spikes in different traps.
89, we'll be going west on 89. Spike successful, spike successful.
But even with spikes, Scotty was not gonna stop.
Adam 11's trying to get around Joe.
And afterwards, Scotty said, you know what? I'm gonna double down on this dumbass decision. What I'm gonna do is fire on deputies.
17 if he fires a shot at you. Good 3 times fire.
Finally, after Helton's tires deflated, he came up into an intersection. And this isn't any intersection. This is the intersection where Scotty's gonna be too hotty to get dropped by the cops. You would think if you were firing on officers previously and you didn't want to get shot, that you would maybe put down the gun if you actually care to surrender. I mean, it's like these criminals sit here and say, hey, you think the cops want to shoot me? And the cop said, hey, look, we're gonna shoot you. And the criminals say,
Yes, yes, yes! Come to Papa! He's down! Show me your hands!
Come on, come over here. Help, you see his hand? He's still moving. Help, you see his hand? Go down! You, Kyle. Keep cover! I don't want to be right on top of Kyle. Do not! Come back over here! Kyle, can you see his hand? He's still moving. Kyle, can you see his hand? Go down! Put him down! Oh, what you got?
So it looks like Scotty got what he wanted.
Still moving. No, still moving. Hold on, Kyle. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. All right, I'm off. Come on.
Troopers then attempted to render medical aid.
Okay, go. Rolling my way. Okay, you ready? Yeah.
But it was too late.
Yeah.
Scotty died there on the scene.
I don't have a pulse. Simple. No pulse, no pulse.
Unfortunate. I mean, guys, if you want to break laws and not follow rules, at least put your gun down. But tell me what you thought about the officer's response. Do you think they used excessive force, or do you think they used just enough force? But either way, guys, stay safe. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And I don't want you guys to miss it. Until next time, hey, we tactical and we guardians, and we love the Second Amendment. You catching law or lead.